Traveling with friends is exciting, but splitting costs can get messy fast. TraceSpend makes it simple. In this video, we'll show you how to stay organized, track group expenses, and keep everything fair so you can focus on fun, not finances. First, create a shared wallet just for your trip. This keeps all your group expenses in one place. You can name the wallet and choose a currency for the trip. Once your wallet is created, invite your travel buddies. You can add them by email, send a group invite link, or let them join instantly by scanning a QR code. Let's log a new group expense. Start by entering the amount. Then write a short description. Choose the right category, let's say food and drinks. Next, select who paid for it. Choose how to split the expense, equally by percentage or custom. And if you like, add a quick note. TraceSpend tracks every payment and shows you a clear balance for each person. No more awkward money talks or complicated math. Time to settle up? On the Add Transaction screen, just switch to the Clear tab. You can either enter the payment details manually or simply select a balance to clear. Customize it by changing the payment date and, if you'd like, add a note to remember what the payment was for. It's that easy to keep things fair and transparent. On the Insights screen, get a crystal clear view of group expenses or your personal spending. Monitor trends, track where your money goes, and make smarter decisions, right on the go. With TraceSpend, you're always one step ahead of your budget, turning travel stress into smooth, worry-free adventures. Whether you're hiking through the mountains or exploring a new city, TraceSpend helps you manage your group travel budget with ease. Download TraceSpend and enjoy your trips without financial stress.